Are you tired of spending significant amount of time or having your organization spend significant amount of time just to collect data to prove that you're following your software delivery process? Well, we just released a new feature here at Kosli, so let me show you how we can make that easier for you. So you're frequently asked to prove you follow your software delivery process. This task could probably be as often as weekly, monthly, or even yearly. And the most common reasons I'm betting why you're asked to do this, they probably start with ISO, SOC, and or something like FedRAMP, NIST. Basically, you have a compliance and or audit framework that you need to follow. And I bet you're probably asked to produce evidence of things like CVE reports, screenshots of static code analysis, proof of software validation such that like, show me that you ran these 1,000 regression tests that you say you ran. Now, the kicker here is the large amount of unproductive time it takes to track this information down. Sometimes it's days, sometimes it's weeks. And the worst part is we know it delays getting to production. So Kosli is testing a new capability that we call the Evidence Vault. Now, the Evidence Vault allows you to collect all the scans and data in real time at the time you do it and have it reportable for somebody in the future when they need it. The Evidence Vault is a one-stop shop where you can store all of your scans, these reports, and the data that proves you did follow your software delivery process. So let me go ahead and give you a bit of a guide and introduction to this. And for some quick background, let's talk about the software delivery process I want to show to you today. So this software delivery process, what I need to do is I need to collect unit test, proof-edited unit tests, source code, static code analysis, source code CVEs, container CVEs, and other container metadata. And I want to make this available for somebody quickly. So how do we do this? Well, let's go ahead and show you GitHub here. Just GitHub's not the only way you can do it, but in this example, I'm using my GitHub Actions. Should show you how I do this inside of GitHub? It's simple. You go in and inside of your CI file, what you're going to do is you're going to use the Kosli CLI to upload and report evidence. So what you're going to see right here is me uploading my Surefire reports from the JUnit tests here. All I have to do is just point at the folder and/or if you can see here, like my Sneak CVE scan, I'm just porting at the single output from the JSON and I'm uploading it. I'm giving it a name such as the source code CVE and or the unit test. These are the things that you're expected to upload, sort of what the auditors will be, and the auditors or maybe customers or whomever you have to prove you did what you say you're doing, what they're looking for. And so this is really as simple as it is. Once you do that, we'll go ahead and pop back over here to the to Kosli. What you'll see here is now as you run and each subsequent run, so I'll just show you some subsequent runs. Every time I ran the CI pipeline, I collected all this evidence. And all you need to do is send this link to somebody to say, okay, here's the evidence I collected, here's the dates I collected it. And they can simply look and either look at it individually and or download a full audit package. So let's download this audit package real quick and check out and see what it looks like. So from the audit package perspective, we'll look here at the downloads. What you'll see is you'll see Bensing Demos is my organization name and unit test flows sort of by what I'm calling the CI. But as we get into this, what you'll see is I can open in this directory all my unit tests, my static code analysis, source code, everything is available in there. If you uploaded a directory, we'll actually zip it and compress it for you. And you can unzip it here. And then what you'll see in the unzip file is everything that you uploaded, so these Surefire reports. So with that being said, as a quick introduction to the Evidence Vault, if you got any questions, feel free to reach out. Go ahead and sign up for a Kosli account and give this a shot and let us know how it works for you.